Good day, everyone. We are Group 4, and this is our final exam video presentation for robotics. I am Christina Paula Mondihar, and together with my group mates.
I am Fernandez Ivan.
I am Rich Leandro Casiano.
I am Jared Cuervo.
My name is JV Tolo.
I'm Jenaline A. Disabelli.
I'm Kishabi Bachansela Tibay.
And today, we will be discussing our Choosing Robotics project, demonstrating our prototype, and explaining how it relates to human-computer interaction or HCI.
Project Overview. Our Choosing Robotics project is a Bluetooth-controlled portable vacuum robot. This device is designed to move independently using a remote Bluetooth connection and vacuum small debris through a custom suction chamber. We built this using a mobile four-wheel platform, a section fan system, recycled materials, and Bluetooth control.
So this is our visual presentation of the robot. So this robot, the robot uses four wheels for movements, and the upper part is the suction chamber made from plastic bottles forming an airflow tunnel. So at the front, this is the orange PVC elbow serves as the vacuum intake. So the back portion contains the fan system which creates a suction. So the system uses separate batteries. So this battery is for the fan and this battery is for the drive motors for stable operation. So these components work together to create a functional mobile vacuum robot.
Next, we will demonstrate how a robot works. Using our Bluetooth controller, we can move the robot forward, backward, left, and right. The suction system pulls air through the PVC intake and allowing the robot to collect small dust or particles. And this shows how mobility and vacuum functionality can combine into a single compact robot.
How a robot relates to human-computer interaction. Our robotics project clearly demonstrates human-computer interaction principles. Each CI focuses on how humans communicate with machines. In our prototypes, the Bluetooth interface allows the humans to control the device easily. The robot responds to commands in real time, showing interactivity. The design is simple and user-friendly. The controller acts as the human side, while the robot is the computer side. The clear plastic body also helps user understand airflow visually, improving usability. Overall, our robot shows how humans can interact with machines effectively through intuitive controls.
What makes your project innovative? Our project is innovative because we combine mobility and suction capability using recycled materials, making it affordable and functional at the same time. How does robot improve user experience? It is controlled through Bluetooth, which makes it convenient, wireless, and easy to operate. The user does not need to manually push or drag the vacuum.
Question number 3. What challenge did you face during construction? So A. Aligning the suction chamber, stabilizing the pan, and powering the motor separately were the most challenging parts. We also had trouble balancing airflow and mobility. And now, let's proceed to the question number 4. How does this relate to robotic concepts? It involves motion control, power distribution, user interface design, and mechanical assembly, all major components in robotics engineering.
So that ends our final exam video presentation. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy learning about our Bluetooth controlled portable vacuum robot. Thank you for watching, and we are Group 4.